What's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to manage any Wi-Fi router from your iPhone. So first thing you want to do is you want to go to settings, open Wi-Fi settings and make sure your iPhone is connected to the router's network. Then tap on the eye icon next to the network's name, and here in this information menu scroll down until you see IPv4 address section. Here you need router default gateway. Tap and hold on this gateway, copy, and then go to any web browser. Safari is good enough. Paste this gateway, tap on go, and it takes you to the login page. Here you need to enter your router's password. If you don't know this password, you can't manage your router and you have to do factory reset. So login. And that's it, you're in the settings menu now. It's not very convenient because in my case it's not optimized for mobile browser, but this is an option. If you, in some reason you can't find default gateway in your Wi-Fi settings, you also can Google this information, or you can find it in your user manual, in the quick setup guide. And in most cases the manufacturer also provides a default web address for access. For example, in my case I have this address on the product label on the bottom of my router right here. That's it guys, hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching, thumbs up and be awesome. Bye guys.